At some point, many people notice something unsettling. Their life looks better than it used to. The apartment is nicer, the car is newer, the income is higher, but the feeling of freedom hasn't improved. In some cases, it feels like it's shrinking. That usually isn't because of bad choices, it's because of something quieter. Relatable USA-Europe scenario. Imagine a young professional in their early 30s. They earn $80,000 a year in the US, or roughly 60,000 euros in parts of Europe. After taxes and deductions, monthly take-home pay is around $4,500. Now life starts assigning that money. Rent or mortgage, $1,700. Car payment, fuel, insurance, or transport. $550 student loans or education costs. $300 groceries, utilities, basics. $650. Subscriptions, phone plans, insurance, extras. $300 before thinking about savings or choices. More than $3,500 is already committed. What remains isn't excess. It's flexibility. Lifestyle inflation appears quietly now. Imagine income increases. Not dramatically. Just enough to feel comfortable. Instead of creating space, the lifestyle adjusts. A better apartment because it's safer and quieter. A newer car because it's more reliable. More convenient spending because time matters now. Each upgrade feels earned. Each decision feels reasonable, but the pattern matters more than the intention, the hidden financial mistake. System flaw lifestyle. Inflation isn't about spending more money. It's about turning temporary income into permanent commitments. Every upgrade adds weight. Not immediately, but consistently. Let's look at simple math. An apartment upgrade costing $400 more per month is nearly $5,000 per year. A car upgrade adding $300 per month becomes $18,000 over 5 years. These numbers don't feel dramatic month to month, but they quietly reshape the future. The raise disappears. The obligations remain. Psychological reason people fall into it. This happens because humans measure life in comfort, not totals. Monthly payments feel manageable. Long-term costs feel abstract. The brain adapts quickly. What once felt luxurious becomes normal. What once felt optional becomes necessary. Modern systems are built around this. Financing everything. Framing affordability as success. Reducing decisions to monthly numbers. Nothing feels reckless. But flexibility slowly erodes. Long-term financial impact, if ignored over years. Lifestyle inflation creates a specific outcome. Income rises. Stress doesn't fall. 10 years later, the person earns more than ever, yet has fewer options than expected. Not because they failed, but because their lifestyle quietly required their future income to stay high. Any disruption, a job change, health issue, or market shift feels threatening. Not due to lack of money, but due to lack of room. Shift in perspective how financially intelligent people think. Financially intelligent people don't avoid comfort. They avoid locking comfort into fixed costs. They see lifestyle upgrades as choices that should preserve flexibility, not eliminate it. They think less about income growth and more about how hard would it be to step back if needed. How much of my life is optional? Freedom, to them, isn't about spending less. It's about needing less. Conclusion, come close, plus, soft CTA lifestyle inflation doesn't announce itself. It arrives politely, upgrade by upgrade, commitment by commitment. Seeing it clearly isn't about guilt or sacrifice. It's about understanding how freedom quietly changes shape over time. If this perspective helped you think about money a little differently, consider subscribing. Not for motivation, but for clarity. That's usually enough.